Carter Simon McNeil about to call them in. Triopus looks likely to go forward in the grey jacket, worn by Tommy O'Brien, and away they go.
Market in play.
Triopus on his chasing debut heads towards the first fence, just ahead of Speed Along. And let's see how these jump the first fence. There's not a lot of chasing experience on show here, and they're all safely over. Behind
fully matched.
Some way behind the front pair in third there, and
fully matched.
Hoops and Cap Horner is the grey, last of the four. So Triopus and Tommy O'Brien. Horses won 4 times over hurdles this season, ahead of Speed Along in second. Just 1 run over fences so far, and yet to win a race. Speed Along, a gap to Behind Time, who would have a very good chance on his hurdling form in this race, but needs to reproduce that over the bigger obstacles. And Cap Horner, a winner at Lingfield, on the inside.
Fully matched.
Time. Cap Horner, not so good last time at Exeter. On
fully matched.
An open ditch. Triopus comes in to take it, just ahead of Speed Along. Behind Time and Cap Horner. So let the swing out of the back straight. Looks a fairly sensible pace as they prepare to run slightly downhill on the side of the course towards the home straight, where 3 plain fences await them. Triopus and Tommy O'Brien from Speed Along and Nick Schofield in second. And then Behind Time, Niall Madden on the outside of Cap Horner and Jerry McGrath. Approaching the right-hander, which will bring them towards the next line of fences. Triopus by a length or so to Speed Along. Quite a run to this next plain one. This is going to be the 4th coming up. This is 4, 5 and 6. And then a circuit to cover up with that. And it's a 2.5 miler. High Gosfield Commercial Insurance Chase. Triopus jumping
40%.
Speed Along. Behind Time is a bit slow. And the back there.
Fully matched.
On towards the next plain one.
Fully matched.
Coming towards it, just opening up a little from Speed Along. Jumped it sensibly from Speed Along. And then 5 lengths, 6 lengths maybe to the other 2. On to the next. The leader racing with plenty of enthusiasm and jumping well from Speed Along. Cap Horner was untidy there, untidy on
fully
the way up,
matched.
very
Fully
untidy
matched.
on the way down. The hind legs just getting slightly lost on landing. Behind Time moves into third. So swinging right-handed now, and away from the enclosures, and Triopus beginning to motor on from Speed Along. They head to the water jump. Triopus by 5 lengths now to Speed Along in second. Behind Time and
60%.
And the next. So all the time Behind Time was away to the left a bit there.
Fully matched.
Ungainly effort. Passed by Cap Horner. Into the back now. And onto the
fully
3 fences
matched.
they have to jump in the back. Triopus by 3 or 4 lengths to Speed Along. Going to the first of these. A good neat jump. Good jump too from Speed Along in second. That was a really excellent effort. And they're clear
70%.
of Cap Horner. A little bit of a run bypassing the next one down the back, which is an open ditch. So they're onto a plain fence again, and then a ditch. And Triopus by 3 lengths to Speed Along. Going towards this one. Triopus, Speed Along, Cap Horner, quite quietly ridden still by Jerry McGrath, the leader over well for Speed Along. Behind Time again, taking a bit of a chance there. Now Madden half calling a cab as they go on towards the last in the back straight, an open ditch. Triopus coming in to take it. Or another good jump, Speed Along. Behind Time out to the left, Cap Horner back on the inside. So nearing the end of the back straight now, and 3 fences left to jump. And Triopus serving it up to them. Speed Along in second. Cap Horner getting much closer, so too Behind Time. Those two have been the last, those two were well back in the early stages. They've closed right up now as the field suddenly covered by a little more than 3-4 lengths as they race down the side and onto the final right-hander. Triopus by a length to Speed Along. Behind Time, very close. Got a lot of abilities, just got to get over the fences cleanly. Then Cap Horner right there on the inside. So
First,
on
fully,
towards
match,
the third last
fully,
match. Race. Triopus is
fully,
shaken
match,
up by Tommy O'Brien. Speed Along coming there on the outside under Nick Schofield.
100%.
And then Cap Horner. This is 3 out. Triopus and Speed Along
fully,
together.
match,
Behind
fully,
Time
match,
has just fallen a little way back from them now and is ridden along on landing there. Cap Horner can't go on towards the second last. Triopus by a neck to Speed
fully,
Along.
match,
Much will depend on this jump here. Speed Along on the outside of Triopus. Behind Time is getting back on terms. Cap Horner well beaten on towards the final fence.
Fully,
and Speed
match,
Along just takes it up from Triopus. Behind
fully,
Time
match,
has a chance. Over the last, Speed Along over well. Behind Time trying to stage a rally on the outside. Triopus on the far side. Speed Along from Behind Time. Speed Along is going to secure the win, and Speed Along holds on from Behind Time
Market
on the near
suspended.
side of Triopus, and Cap Horner along last of 4.
Well, that's the way to rate your maiden tag. Congratulations.